Right, so the next assignment that we have here is assignment 2.3, build a mobile network. So on here, the pieces of equipment that you're going to need is a central office server. And we got that right here. Next one you're going to need are 3 cell towers. And then after that, we need a router, the 2811 router. And then we need a PC and a smartphone. So first thing that we do on here is we configure the router with a private LAN IP and a public WAN IP. So how you do that, you just click on the router to set that up, and we go through all the instructions for that. The second step that we're going to do is configure the PC so that I can connect here to the router and do all of that. And then the next step that we're going to do is configure the central office server backbone to the gateway address of the router with the static IP on the same logical network as the WAN interface. So in order to do that, what we would do is go into here and configure settings, backbone. It's right there. So once you do that, you allow access, external access, and then we're going to verify the central office server is providing IP to the smartphone. So you do that. So let's see how you would go. You go to central office, pull this back up. Under config, interface right here, and then we click cell tower. Okay. Alright, cool. And then on here, turn off the cell tower you're connected to and observe the smartphone's behavior. Port status. So in order to do that, so what we would do here, if we wanted to play around with that, so we can see that it is up and connected. So click on it. To play around with it, let's just say that was supposed to be on anyway. Cool. And that's pretty much how you do this assignment. So what you're doing here with the cell towers, they're being connected by the coaxial cable, and then those are going down to the server, and the server is relaying information to the router. The router is then relaying that information to the PC. So this is how you have a mobile network, and it's showing how the smartphone is connected right here. Cool. And that's how you do this assignment on here. This one was pretty fun. I did like this one. You can see that it's connect. That's what I was trying to show earlier under the interface and the 3.4 and the 3G and the 4G. I was just in the wrong one, but that's how you see how the phone is connected and things like that. And it was saying to play around with it. So if we turn that off, you can see it's not connected anymore. Let's just turn it back on, and shortly it should connect again. Oh, connected to that cell tower. So cool. Alright, so that's how you do this assignment here. This one was a little bit harder than the last one, but it was fun putting this all together. And then looking at it, it should be connected to cell tower 1. So yeah, had it messed up where it was connected to this one at first, but I wanted it here, and now it is. Perfect. So this one is done. Finish it up.